Hello viewers, it has been a long time we didn't post any videos on our channel. Today I'm going to give you guys an important information about type where you can learn typing faster. It is very important for any person to get the skill on typing. Typing should be faster because in any job you should be skilled in typing. They would like to see a candidate who can type faster, especially software engineer. They really need to have faster typing skill. So let's get started where you can practice your typing. I practice in typing club. When I used to type very slow. Even I don't used to type the proper way a person should type, placing the fingers properly, and I don't have any clue where I can learn them. I watched a lot of videos, but that didn't help a lot. So I'm going to share you guys a website where you can learn typing for free. So search typing club. You're gonna get typing club learn touch typing free. Then go to the login section, and then if you don't have an account, sign up. If you have an account, sign in. You can sign in with Google, you can sign up with Google. I'm not gonna sign up, I already have an account, so I'm gonna show you guys the real opportunities you can achieve after using the typing club. So I sign up, and you guys can see I have done a lot. I can type way faster than before, and have done a wonderful job because I was very slow typer, but now it's better. You guys can see I have like 3 star at the end, but it's the advanced level. I already passed a lot of level where I have 5 star, and I feel like it is a game. To pass each level, it's like a game. You play the game, you get the skill, and it's very important for your career. The first time they're gonna give the introduction to the typing club.
So, I hear
When you come in this part, they're gonna show you one video
positioning.
about
Look
finger
at the F
positioning.
and J.
So you can watch those videos. They're really helpful. The more helpful if you practice them. So they will tell you to position them. They're gonna show you F, and then you press J on the keyboard. F F F. If you made a mistake, then they're gonna tell you wrong. You have to type it again correctly. So I practice a lot, and I have been using this for a few days. But you have to remember one thing. Remember to follow the steps they have provided you. Don't type for a long time because I get so obsessed. I used to practice for like 3 hours and I didn't give a break, so I have a back problem because of that. So don't do that. Give some time to relax and then start typing again. Don't stress yourself too much. Eventually you're gonna learn it if you keep practice. So you guys can see when I'm making mistake, they're telling me to type it again. So here you guys can see I'm typing it, and if there is any mistake, then it's a mistake. They're not gonna give you a second chance. So you're gonna type it, and they're gonna tell you the speed, the accuracy, and if you wanna redo it, if you think there's a lot of mistakes, I just type randomly, like lot of mistake. I don't want to make that much mistake. So you can see this, you can click it, and you're gonna start typing again. So this is like lesson 4. There are many lessons 5, 6, 7, 8. I have completed all of them. There are all the letters, numbers, everything you need to learn typing. So I have done a lot, as you guys can see, and there are 5 stars. Because of my back problem, I stopped practicing. Still, I didn't forget to type. I still can type nicely and properly, but I'm gonna practice more because I want to pass this level, advanced level 5, with 5 stars, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I guess if you guys practice all of them, you guys is gonna type faster. So let me show you one more thing. You guys can see 95% progress. So I made 95% progress. The stars and the number of the points are shown here. When I go to the home, you guys can see I have done the typing jungle. There are more jungle junior, but typing jungle is the most effective one, and you guys can see my current speed limit is 49 word per minute. So I can type 49 words per minute, and the accuracy is 94%, so it's just average. And it shows like this week, today, last week I didn't practice, but overall active practice time is my 45 hour 14 minutes. I know it might sound for you guys long time, but when I start practicing, I didn't realize that I was practicing that much because It was so exciting for me. It was like a game for me. As I said before, I would just keep passing the level. You guys can see one thing, that first of all, you might not get 5 star, so don't stop, just keep going on. And then after a few days later, you guys will see that your guys are typing faster. Then you can come back, and then you can type it again, and then you will see you're typing them faster and you're getting 5 star. Your accuracy is also 100%. Don't forget to give it a try, and if you guys find it really helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment how you find it useful.